All right, so funny Crip story number 2. Someone's calling me apparently. I'll get that later. Um, so let's see. So this one time I went to a concert, Miley Cyrus concert, clearly with my friend Jess, and we were getting there and getting off the elevator, and this girl who was, dressed up and all like with the buns like Wiley and skirt with her butt cheeks hanging out and everything like that is all like woo and starts twerking on me. Now I'm like, all right, I can get with this, whatever. It's funny. We're at Miley, um, and it's funny. And we go to walk away, and she's like, puts her hand up like, high five, and if you like know me or look at me for 2 seconds, you can pretty much tell that I can't move anything. Now, her defense, she didn't know me and she was in the moment and she was all caught up in the Miley thing. But I just think it's pretty funny that it was like this awkward moment of like, high five! And I just sit there, I'm like, and then my friend Jess picked up my hand and helped me five her. So it's all good. It worked out in the end. So I hope that made you laugh. Thanks.